I'll demonstrate how to use a digital experiment in which a syringe pump pushes a liquid through two connected pipes. And the idea is that you can calculate the inside diameter of the pipe and then the fluid density and viscosity by making measurements at several different angles for this pipe. The slider here can change the angle. This is a switch that turns on the syringe pump. And then the flow rate's measured by collecting liquid and using a stopwatch, a timer to determine the volumetric flow rate through the two connected pipes. We can change what type of flow rate, this button here. So let's look at this simulation. So we can change the angle, and the objective is to make measurements at different angles. We can select a high flow rate, a medium flow rate, or a low flow rate. And then when we turn on, we start getting flow into the beaker as the syringe pump is slowly pushing liquid. So the idea is if we make measurements at several angles, we obtain enough data that we can then calculate the viscosity and the density and the pipe diameter. So this is an example of viscous flow, and we use equations that allow us to determine the properties of the fluid.